Hi people, again. I wanted to go how to fix Adobe Acrobat doc error when you go to application for printing the documents. Like for example, that file is important when you use Adobe Acrobat. If you go to Program Files, Common Files, Adobe, this file is important. Sometimes you can have that type of error message. These files are responsible for conversion of documents from web page to portable format document, and you can use Adobe Printer. Like in this video tutorial, I wanted to show you how to fix that error. Maybe I will do like that. You can see what I'm doing. What I did, I made a copy of the files because you still have to use Adobe Acrobat main installer. If you set up, because I tried to unpack from folder called core, but this file is here, but they are compressed, so I still had to use installer to unpack those files. I think I would provide for you backup of the files. This is for Adobe Acrobat 2024. And I will show you next. You have to copy files, but before you consider that, you have to consider two locations. Adobe Acrobat for program alone, and for printer you have to go to 32-bit folder. Adobe, wait a minute, program files, 32-bit, common files, 32-bit, then you go to Adobe, ARM. You have to navigate to that folder, and you have to remove files. You have to delete corrupted files and replace by new ones. I have to check something. If I can successfully convert one of the web pages, so you don't have to do installation from the beginning if you make backup of those two files. Blender stack. Let's convert one of the web pages. So we can double check if actually I will check something which is a little bit longer, or you can use print option. You should see icon indicator that conversion is working successfully or printing, but it's not the same as you save as portable format document. Some web browsers still support Adobe conversion tool. Not that web browser. Sorry, I wanted to open up different web browser. Chromium, Google Chrome. So you have extension, so you can still convert. Oh no. It is still working. Because some tutorials you can still use conversion option. Because they seem to be quite interesting. Oh, this is actually quite interesting. Someone done something interesting. So let's check if I can still convert it. Convert to PDF. Oh, this looks even different what I used in the past. Convert web page to portable format document. Because I wanted to show you another web browser which supports Adobe conversion tool. But you still have to fix that file which is responsible for conversion of the files. But make sure you make backup. Make sure that you will make backup of those important files. Very important. And I will provide those files for you so you can fix that. You can fix that corrupted file. I'm still waiting for conversion to finish. Why is it taking so long? This was taking way longer than I expected. Oh, I think it has already converted. Did it already convert? Oh, no, it's not that one. Hmm. Pixel lighting shader. That's strange because I thought it would convert quicker. Sometimes it can take a little bit too long. Maybe because it downloads some of the files. What I showed it to you, that it is still important. Oh, I already converted. It is not as good as I thought. Conversion tool works okay, but it's not perfect. You can use Opera web browser, or this option is vector, because you can still select background graphics, but only one downside. Oh, actually, I can still select text. Make sure after conversion, you can still select. But without that file which is working, okay, you wouldn't be able to use this printing tool. Pixel shading, Blender stack exchange. Oh no, this is what I don't like about printing. The only one downside is I cannot select text. Or, the strange thing is you can still select text, but it's not what you want. But On the other hand, even if you print the documents and you only want to use for reading, not for different purposes, that's fine. Because I don't know if I can still copy text if I use a selection. I think only when you save a web page, for example, because Opera has that ability. For example, I will check artifacts after artifacts when rendered. Oh, this is quite interesting video tutorial. Oh, I like very much. I will definitely have to study. For example, Opera has utility called Save as PDF, but sometimes the documents can be too big. They sometimes open up too slow. It depends what web page it is. By using Opera, you can still select text, and you can copy it, and you can paste, for example. But on the other hand, the printing doesn't make your portable format documents so big. I hope you like my video tutorial and have a nice day, people. Okay, see you, bye.